Good morning to every student. Today we are going to discuss continuity of a function, and this is the second video class. In first video class we are already discussed limit of the function and how to find the limit in the different method, and what is the left hand limit, right hand limit, and the standard formula. Today we discuss continuity of a function. Continuity of a function. So what do you mean by continuity of a function? In generally, continuity means continuously flow, like water flow, current flow, air flow, like that. And the graph of the continuous function is like that. Let this is the coordinate axis, and this one is x o x dash, and this is y o y dash. Suppose the graph of the function may be like that. This is the initial point, here x is equal to a, and this is the final point. Suppose this is x is equal to b. Clearly this is a continuous, because for each points of x in belongs to interval a and b, the value of fx is well defined. That means it is a continuous. Next we see another graph like that. This is also coordinate axis. Suppose the graph of the function is here, this one. Clearly this is not a continuous graph, because for each point of x belongs to in interval. Suppose this is x is equal to a, and this is the final point, x is equal to b. Here each points of x in between a to b, the value of fx is not well defined. Here at that point, suppose this point is x is equal to c. At x is equal to c, the value of fx is not well defined, means value of fx is impossible. So it is discontinuous. The function is discontinuous at x is equal to c. That means function is not continuous. The graph shows that the function is not continuous, because at x is equal to c, the function is not defined, and that point is called a discontinuity point. So continuous means the value of fx is defined in that interval for each points. But discontinuity means there is some point, or 1 point or 2 point, the value of fx is not defined. This is the discontinuity graph of the function, and this is the continuous graph of the function. But actually, what do you mean by the definition of the continuity of the function at an indicated point? At a particular point, the function is continuous. Definition. Let fx be a function. Function means it must be a real valued function. So what do you mean by real valued function? Domain must be a subset of a real number. A function whose domain is a subset of a real number, then that function is a real valued function. So let fx be a function defined on its domain capital D, and x is equal to a, be a point in D, a point in its domain. The function fx is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if limit x tends to a, fx exists and is equal to value of the function. So limit x tends to a fx exists. Exist means it has a finite value, it has a definite value, it never be a infinite or not undeterminate form. It must be a definite value or a finite value, that means exist. So limiting value and limit extends to fx exist means this is known as a limiting value and this is known as a value of the function. But how to find the value of the function? For value of the function, you have to put x is equal to a in given function. Directly, तुम कौन करियो x जगह a पकेबो given function रे. This is known as a value of the function. But a जो limit extends to fx ता देखुचो, this is the approximate value of the function. And we know how to find the approximate value in the limit class. So limiting value exists and is equal to value of the function. Limit extends to a. So limit extends to fx exists means it has a finite value, or limit extends to a minus fx is equal to limit extends to a plus fx and is equal to value of the function f of a. So this is known as the left hand limit and this is known as the right hand limit. If left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, then we say the limit extends to fx exists. So for continuous, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function, then we say fx is a continuous. So, but for a modulus function and greatest integer function and step function, in such case you have to find a left hand limit and a right hand limit. तो जो फंक्शन दा मॉडुलस फंक्शन थियो, ब्रैकेट फंक्शन थियो, स्टेप फंक्शन थियो, ए केस रे तुमको नेसेसरी टू फाइंड लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एंड राइट हैंड लिमिट फॉर द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ अ लिमिट और फॉर exist of a limit. So otherwise if limit extends to a fx exists and not equal to the value of the function, or left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, then we say fx is discontinuous. Otherwise fx is not continuous. Not continuous means that is fx is discontinuous. Discontinuous at x is equal to a. तेणु गोटे पार्टिकुलर पॉइंट रे फंक्शन रो वैल्यूटा कंटिन्यूस आमे टेस्ट करिया माने तुमको कौन करिया पड़ियो लिमिटिंग वैल्यू बाहर करिया पड़ियो आ वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन से बाहर करिया पड़ियो. जदि लिमिटिंग वैल्यूटा वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन संगे इक्वल होबो तबे फंक्शन हम कहबा कंटिन्यूस कहबा. लिमिटिंग वैल्यू एक्जिस्ट माने यार वैल्यूटा गोटे फाइनाइट वैल्यू होबा दरकार, और लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट एंड इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन. Okay, otherwise the function is discontinuous. Now we test some example of the continuity of the function. Examine the continuity of the following function at indicated point. First question is fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 by x square minus 1 if x not equal to 1 and x square minus 1 if x is equal to 1 at x is equal to 1. देखो ए प्रॉब्लम रे आमे 1 पाखरे टेस्ट करिया जे फंक्शन दा कंटीन्यूअस और नॉट कंटीन्यूअस. फॉर कंटीन्यूअस यू हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट लिमिटिंग वैल्यू. इफ लिमिटिंग वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट देन यू हैव टू फाइंड ए वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन. जदि लिमिटिंग वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट होबनी तबे फंक्शन दा केबे भी कंटीन्यूअस होबनी, तमे सेठी डायरेक्ट डिसकंटीन्यूअस लिखियो. तो लिमिटिंग वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट हला पर वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन दा हमें बाहर करिया. तो फास्ट हमें लिमिटिंग वैल्यू बाहर करिया. ये जो फंक्शन दा दिया है सो व्हाट आर द गिव्स आइडिया हियर इफ x नॉट इक्वल टू 1 देन द fx इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 3 बाय x स्क्वायर माइनस 1. If x is equal to 1, then fx equal to x square minus 1. Answer. First, we find limiting value at x is equal to 1. limiting value at x is equal to 1. So limiting value at x is equal to 1 means you have to write limit x tends to 1 fx. So x tends to 1 means x not equal to 1, not exact 1. X tends to 1 means x may be less than 1 or may be greater than 1. If x not equal to 1, what will be fx? Here given that if x not equal to 1, fx equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 by x square minus 1. So limit x tends to 1, substitute the value of fx, x square minus 4x plus 3 by x square minus 1. So how to find a limit? First method is a direct substitution method. If direct method is a failure, then you have to go to factorization method. So if we put x is equal to 1, here 1 to square 1 plus 3, 4 minus 4, this will be 0. And the denominator part is 0. Numerator is 0, denominator is 0. So this is equal to 0 by 0 form. तेणु आम प्रथम सब डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन चेक करिया जदि डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन चेक कला बेले 0 by 0 पळे आसी देन वी गो टू सेकंड मेथड फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. सो फैक्टराइजेशन आम कोन करिया को ना लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 1 middle term first factorize to using middle term that is x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 because multiplication of minus 3x and minus x is plus 3x square and addition of minus 3x and minus x is minus 4x by x square minus 1. So this is equal to limit x tends to 1 here x common x minus 3 and minus 1 it common x minus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 1. So this is equal to limit x tends to 1 x minus 1 into x minus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 1. After factorization then cancel the common factor. So here x minus 1 cancel, then put x is equal to 1. So if we put x is equal to 1 here, so this is equal to 1 minus 3 by 1 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 2 by 2 and this is equal to minus 1. So limiting value at x is equal to 1 is minus 1. Here limiting value exists. If limiting value exists, then you have to find the value of the function. So here that is limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to minus 1. The value of the function at x is equal to 1, that is f of 1. So f of 1 means here fx is equal to, when x is equal to 1, fx equal to x square minus 1. This is the given condition. So f of 1 means you have to put x is equal to 1 in the given function. So this is equal to 1 to square minus 1. So this is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here the limiting value is minus 1 and the value of the function is 0. That means limit x tends to 1 fx is not equal to f of 1. So the function is not continuous. Not continuous means it is discontinuous. Therefore fx is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Now the second question, fx is equal to sin 5x by 3x if x not equal to 0 and 5 by 3 if x is equal to 0. So we have to test at x is equal to 0. First we find the limiting value at x is equal to 0. So limit x tends to 0 f of x. This is known as a limiting value and this is equal to limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0 means x not equal to 0. When x not equal to 0, fx equal to here sin 5x by sin 3x. So this is equal to sin 5x by 3x. You know the standard formula, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Sin ro angle la jodi x thibo, tole jodi x thibo, and x tends to 0, this will be 1. Dekho eti kon achi sin 5x by 3x achi. So 3x eta 3 da ame constant ta to take common. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin 5x by x. Here angle is 5x and the denominator is x. First to make equal angle, so you have to multiply 5 into 5. Then 5 taking common outside, that is equal to 5 by 3 into limit x tends to 0 sin 5x by 5x. Sin 5x by x, it is sin angle 5x hochi, denominator 5x hochi. As x tends to 0, 5x tends to is also sin angle jeti thio tole seti thio puni seti tends to 0 thile, this will be 1. As x tends to 0, 5x tends to is also 0. That means 5 by 3 and this is 1. So this is equal to 5 by 3. So the limiting value is 5 by 3 and the value of the function. What is the value of the function? Value of the function VOF means V for value. Value of the function at x is equal to 0, that is f of 0. So f of 0 is equal to, here given that 5 by 3. The limiting value is 5 by 3, value of the function is 5 by 3. So limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to 5 by 3 is equal to f of 0. So fx is continuous. Fx is continuous at x is equal to 0. Next, another example, number 3. Fx equal to 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x by x square, and this is 1 if x not equal to 0. Here x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. We test the continuity at x is equal to 0. Same. First you have to find the limiting value. Answer. Limiting value at x is equal to 0 means you have to write limit x tends to 0 fx. So first of all you have to find the limiting value of the function at the indicated point, given point. So limit x tends to 0. So here x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0. So when x not equal to 0, the fx is equal to 1 minus cos x by x square. So how to find its limit? If we put x is equal to 0 in given function, 1 minus cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0 by 0. So this is also 0 by 0 form. Next we use the formula 1 minus cos x. You know the formula 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0. तेणु जोड़ा 0 by 0 होची तुमको फैक्टराइजेशन करिया पड़ियो किबा फार्मूला यूज करी ताको फैक्टराइजेशन करिया पड़ियो. तो 1 minus cos x formula, this is 2 sin square x by 2 by x square. Here 2 is a constant, so taking right side outside, 2 into limit x tends to 0. Here sin square x by 2 but x square. So this is equal to sin x by 2 by x whole square. So there is a formula algebra for limit x tends to a fx square. Limit x tends to a fx to the power n is equal to limit x tends to a fx whole to the power n. So limit power ভিতর মধ্যে entry হবো. So this is 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin x by 2 by x whole square. And there is a formula also, limit x tends to 0 sin alpha x by x is equal to alpha. Here alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Or you make the equating coefficient or angle dagu x by 2. Here x hochi by 2 kariu into 1 by 2 kala hobo. Or you know the formula limit x tends to 0 sin alpha x by x, this is equal to alpha. here the coefficient of x is 1 by 2 means alpha is 1 by 2. So this is a 2 into 1 by 2 ro whole square. So this is a 2 into 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 2. So limiting value is 1 by 2. So limiting value exists. If limiting value exists, then we have to find value of the function. So what is value of the function? Here given that if x is equal to 0, then fx is equal to 1. So value of the function means f of 0. So f of 0 is equal to 1. So limiting value is 1 by 2. Value of the function is 1. Limiting value, limit x tends to 0. F of x is not equal to f of 0. Therefore, fx is discontinuous at x equal to 0. So here we examine the continuity of the function fx is equal to mod x plus mod of x minus 1 at x is equal to 0 and 1. Here we test 2 points at x equal to 0 and 1. It is कौन ना दीरा पॉइंट हमको टेस्ट करिया पड़ियो whether the function is a continuous or not. Clearly this function is a modulus function. For the modulus function and a limiting value, for limiting value in case of the modulus function you have to find must left hand limit and right hand limit. First we test continuity at x is equal to 0. Answer. Test for continuity at x is equal to 0. Since fx is a modulus function, for existence of a limit, we find left hand limit and right hand limit. So left hand limit LHN. Left hand limit at x is equal to 0. This is a limit x tends to 0 minus. You write in this way, limit x tends to 0 minus fx. So what is fx? Limit x tends to 0 minus fx means mod x plus mod of x minus 1. So how to evaluate left hand limit? Since x tends to 0 minus means we put x is equal to 0 minus h, where h is a small positive number, very small positive number, never be a negative. That means we have to find directly this is a limit x tends to 0 minus means limit h tends to 0 and substitute x in place of substitute x 0 minus h in place of x. 0 minus रे आमे डायरेक्ट लिखला तो कोन करियो ना लिमिट h tends to 0 x जगह तमे 0 minus h पकेबो. So this is equal to 0 minus h plus 0 minus h minus 1. Because you know limit x tends to a minus fx, left hand limit x tends to a minus fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. So directly तुम एमदी calculation कराबो or you take a put x is equal to 0 minus h also. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 0 minus h mode. So this is equal to minus h mode and plus minus h minus 1 mode. You know the modulus function. Modulus function means mod x. So mod x is equal to plus x if x greater than 0 and mod x is equal to minus x if x less than or equal to 0. So mod x equal to plus x if x greater than 0. जतल मोड भितर संख्याटा पॉजिटिव थियो मोडटा उठिले प्लस x हो. मोड भितर संख्याटा नेगेटिव जदि इंडिकेट करियो मोडटा उठिले कोन जे माइनस x हो. देखो क्लियरली हियर माइनस h मोड भितर कोन अछि माइनस h. व्हाट इज h? h is a very small positive number. Suppose you have to take h is equal to 0.001. 0.001 minus, so that means this indicate a negative value. Minus h means negative. If it is negative, then mod of minus h is equal to minus of minus h. Understand? If x is negative, then mod x equal minus x. जेतो x टा नेगेटिव होची mod x टा minus x हो. जेतु एडी h रो वैल्यू ला पॉजिटिव किंतु minus h कोन हो नेगेटिव हो. minus h रा नेगेटिव ले mod टा को जदी हम उठेबा तले कोन हो minus of this one. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus of minus h. Or you can write also mod x is equal to minus x रो mod x जा minus x रो mod था तो मैं minus h रो mod जगह mod h भी लिखी पारियो. And this is a plus here minus h minus 1. This is indicate also negative value. If it is negative, after taking modulus, it will be minus of minus h minus 1. So this is minus of minus h minus 1. So this is limit h tends to 0, h plus 1. So you put here in put h is equal to 0. So 0 plus 1. So this is equal to 1. तो मैं एमती कैलकुलेशन कल हम माइनस h रो मोड डायरेक्ट मोड h लिखि पारियो आ माइनस ऑफ h माइनस 1 मोड दिस इज मोड ऑफ h प्लस 1 मोड h इक्वल टू h हबो मोड ऑफ माइनस ऑफ h प्लस 1 दिस इज h प्लस 1 मोड दिस इज h प्लस 1. So left hand limit is 1. Then we find the right hand limit. So in the right hand limit this is the RHL. Right hand limit at x is equal to 0 means you have to write limit x tends to 0 plus fx. Right hand limit I 0 plus neba. So this is equal to 0 plus mod x plus mod of x minus 1. So you know the right hand limit x tends to a plus fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f half a plus h. That h tends to 0 हो तो मैं x जारे कौन पकेबो सेठी a plus h. Here a is equal to 0. So कौन होबो limit h tends to 0 x जागे हमें 0 plus h पकेबा 0 plus h एडी x जागे 0 plus h minus 1 and this is equal to mod h लाए and this is equal to h minus 1 mod. But mod h here h is a positive quantity so mod h is equal to plus h. So this is equal to h and this is h minus 1 mod. H minus 1 means it indicates a negative value or positive value. H is a very small positive number. So small number minus 1 it will be negative value. If it is negative after taking modulus then this will be minus of h minus 1. कहीं देखो मोड टा नेगेटिव है मोड टा उठले कौन हम जदि भीतर नेगेटिव थी मोड टा उठले कौन हम माइनस ऑफ h minus 1 because h minus 1 is a negative quantity. So here actually h after multiplication minus so this is a minus h plus 1 h minus h cancel and this is 1 so this is equal to 1. So left hand limit is equal to 1 right hand limit is 1 left hand limit is equal to right hand limit means limit x tends to 0 fx exists. So if limiting value exists we find the value of the function. So value of the function at x is equal to 0 that is f of 0. So f of 0 means you have to put direct x is equal to 0 in given function. So 0 the mode plus 0 minus 1 the mode. So this is equal to 0 plus minus 1 the mode but minus 1 the mode is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function. Clearly fx is continuous. So every modulus function like that mod x is or mod x or mod of x minus 1 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Next we test for continuity at x is equal to 1. Continuity at x is equal to 1. Similarly we have to find left hand limit and right hand limit. जेहेतु 0 पाखे कंटिन्यूस है आमको दुईटा पॉइंट देती 0 and 1 बर्तमान आम टेस्ट करिया टेस्ट फॉर कंटिन्यूटी एट x is equal to 1. First left hand limit at x is equal to 1. So what is the left hand limit at x is equal to 1? Limit x tends to 1 minus fx. So what is fx? This is a mod x plus mod of x minus 1. So limit x tends to 1 minus this is equal to limit h tends to 0. h tends to 0 x जगह कौन पकेबो sorry h tends to 0 x जगह हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करिया 1 minus h. So this is equal to 1 minus h mod plus 1 minus h minus 1 mod. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 minus h mod plus 1 minus 1 cancel. This is the minus h mod. Minus h mod is equal to mod h. Mod x jaha, this is equal to minus mod x jaha. Because minus x mod means minus 1 into minus x mod. Mod of AB is equal to mod A into mod B. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 minus h mod. This indicates negative positive quantity. 1 minus 0 point something. Clearly this is a positive quantity. So it positive quantity hele mod out hele kon hobo. So limit h tends to 0. This is 1 minus h, and this is also positive quantity. Mod h is equal to h. So minus h plus h cancel. This is equal to 1. So left hand limit is 1. And what will be right hand limit? Right hand limit at x is equal to 1. That is limit x tends to 1 plus mod x plus x minus 1 mod. And this is equal to limit h tends to 0. X are kon pokeba 1 plus h pokeba. 1 plus h mod plus 1 plus h mod minus 1. This is equal to limit h tends to 0. 1 plus h mod, this is a positive. Mod bhitata positive hochi. Positive hele mod ta uthile kon hobo 1 plus h roila plus it plus 1 minus 1 cancel hela. Mod h ta positive, mod h is equal to h. So this is equal to substitute h tends to 0 means 1 plus 0 plus 0. This is also 1. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, and the value of the function. So LHL is equal to RHL means limiting value exists, and what will be the value of the function? So value of the function at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1, that is f of 1. So f of 1 means how to find the value of the function? You have to put x is equal to a in the given function directly. So this is 1 mod plus 1 minus 1 mod, this is 1 mod 1 plus 0, this is 1. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit equal to value of the function. Therefore fx is continuous at x is equal to 1. So this function is continuous at x is equal to 0, also at x is equal to 1. So generally modulus function here, mod x or mod of x minus 2, in such case this modulus function mod x is continuous at everywhere. Mod x is continuous on everywhere. Mod of x minus 2 is also continuous everywhere. Next, another example, fx is equal to greatest integer function. Fx equal to bracket 2x plus 3 at x is equal to 1. Examine the continuity of the function fx equal to bracket 2x plus 3 or at x is equal to 1, or you take 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So in that question fx is a greatest integer function. You know greatest integer function. So greatest integer function is denoted by square bracket x. Square bracket x, for all x belongs to R, square bracket x must be an integer. That integer must be less than or equal to x. x value jaha nele madhya square bracket x ta sabole gote integer habo, jo integer ta nijo sankhya lu kebe bi bodo hoi paribo nahi. Yar su san habo kimba saman habo. So for continuity of the function, we find the left hand limit and the right hand limit. Answer. Left hand limit at x is equal to 1 by 2. So how to write the left hand limit? Limit x tends to half minus fx, here fx equal to 2x plus 3. Okay. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, you know limit x tends to a minus fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. तुम ये एक्जारे कौन पकेब 1/2 minus h, so this is equal to 2 into 1/2 minus h plus 3 plus 3. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 to multiply this one, so this is equal to 1 minus 2h plus 3, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0 4 minus 2h. So it must be an integer. यार सब लोग integer आसियो, integer भरला कितना आसियो? Since h is a very small positive number, suppose you have to take h is equal to 0.001. So 4 minus 2h means 0.002. तो 4 minus 0.002 means 4 to जदि आम 0 point something जदि माइनस करिया it will be 3 point something आसियो. So 3 point something रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन केते आसियो ना 3. 3 point something रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन रे 3 हम काहे एडा केबेल अधिक होबनी 3 अधिक होबनी सानो सानो लार्जेस्ट इंटीजर बट नॉट ग्रेटर देन x. ब्रैकेट एक्सटा सब लार्जेस्ट इंटीजर एटा एते बड़ जे निज संख्या रो बड़ होबनी तार पाखा पाखी संख्या सब. सो 4 माइनस समथिंग एले 3 पॉइंट समथिंग एला 3 पॉइंट समथिंग रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन इज इक्वल टू 3. नेक्स्ट राइट हैंड लिमिट एट x इज इक्वल टू 1/2. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू लिमिट x टेंड्स टू हाफ प्लस ब्रैकेट 2x plus 3. So this is equal to limit x tends to half plus, that is a limit h tends to 0. तुम एक्साइड कौन पकेब 1/2 plus h. So this is 2 into 1/2 plus h. h tends to 0 वाले एक्साइड हमें पकेबा 1/2 plus h plus 3. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 to 1 plus 2h plus 3. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 4 plus 2h. So 4 plus 2h means 2h means 0.002 plus 4, that means 4.002. So 4.002 रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन दिस इज इक्वल टू 4. 4 पॉइंट रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन होची 4 पॉइंट समथिंग हला 4 पॉइंट समथिंग रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन होची 4. So here LHL equal to 3 and right hand limit is 4. So LHL is not equal to right hand limit. LHL is not equal to right hand limit. That means limit extends to 3. Limit extends to 1/2 bracket 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 does not exist. Does not exist. If the limiting value does not exist, it is not necessary to find the value of the function. So clearly this function is discontinuous. So fx is equal to 2x plus 3 is discontinuous at x is equal to 1/2. Next we see that another example, fx is equal to bracket x at x is equal to √3. Clearly this is a greatest integer function also, but here we test at x is equal to √3. So √3 is an irrational number and its value is 1.732. So we find the left hand limit LHL at x is equal to √3. This is the limit x tends to √3 minus fx equal to bracket x. This is equal to limit x tends to, so this is the limit h tends to 0 and this is equal to √3 minus h. आम h जगह x जगह कौन पकेबा a minus h. Here a is equal to √3, so √3 minus h. तो √3 means 1.732. But h means 0.001. We take this as very small number. h is a very small positive number. तेणु आम कैलकुलेशन करने जाना h जगह सपोज 0.001 नेबा. So 1.732 minus 0.001. This will be 1.731 दैट मीन्स 1 पॉइंट समथिंग तेणु √3 रु आम टिके माइनस कले एटा केते आसो 1 पॉइंट समथिंग आसो ओके एटा केबे भी 0 पॉइंट समथिंग हे जिवनी सो 1.732 minus 0.001 this will be 1 point something तो 1 point something रो bracket function this is 1 so left hand limit is 1 what is right hand limit at x is equal to √3 limit x tends to √3 plus bracket x so this is equal to limit √3 plus means you have to write h tends to 0 so this is equal to √3 plus h so what is its value greatest integer function out of definite out value as your value अच्छा √3 plus h means √3 means 1.732 plus 0.001 means 1.733 so 1 point something plus 0.000 1 point something as your so 1 point something the bracket function is also 1 here LHL equal to 1 and right hand limit is 1 so limit x tends to √3 greatest integer function bracket x is exist since the limiting value exists next we have to find the value of the function so what is the value of the function f of √3 means √3 the greatest integer function so this is 1.732 the bracket function is equal to 1 so clearly left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function limit x tends to √3 minus bracket x is equal to x tends to √3 plus x bracket x is equal to f of √3 so fx is continuous at x is equal to √3 so remember bracket x always bracket x is not continuous at integral points except integral point it must be a continuous जत्ते bracket x अच्छी bracket x टा केबे भी इंटीग्रल पॉइंट रे कंटीन्यूअस होबोनी बर ब्रैकेट ऑफ लीनियर फॉर्म थियो सपोज ax plus b थियो ax plus b थियो ଗୋଟେ पॉइंट देथियो जो पॉइंट ता फ्रैक्शनल था कि ज्यादा रु जो तमे जदी डायरेक्ट इनिशियली डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पकेबो यार वैल्यू जदी गोटे इंटीजर हबो इट नेवर बी ए कंटीन्यूअस जदी इंटीजर न होई गोटे फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू इंडिकेट करियो दिस मस्ट बी ए कंटीन्यूअस सो रिमेंबर दिस वन ब्रैकेट x is continuous except integral point since modulus x mod x or mod of x minus a it is also continuous for all x belongs to R every point this is a continuous